Hey friends, we're at Lakota checking out this brand new 2021 Bighorn that's just finishing up here in our facility. This one optioned in an integrated hay pod. It's a 4-horse standard load with a collapsible rear tack. Here's a nice look at that new 2021 Bighorn logo. Full slat, and that new slat definitely has a sleek and stout look to it. This being in the facility gives us a nice opportunity to check out that LED lighting. Really popping on the outside here, as well as that new Bighorn graphics package. Just so many wonderful features. These are sleek, modern, and definitely structurally sound as well. A lot of work was put into making these even better than they were before. We were already extremely proud of our products, but we think we've taken them to the next level. Let's get a nice look up front. The stainless steel nose with the new logo as well. You've got that new 7.5-inch top rail. Let's make our way inside though. This is a really popular floor plan and it's got some nice options on it as well. So we'll kind of pan around and then kind of explain the layout and some of the options on this one too. So you've seen this one before, 18 feet of living quarters, highlighted by that center entertainment. With that, you get dual steps up to the bed. We'll get a nice look up here. Definitely really residential up in that gooseneck. We want this to be your home away from home. This has some nice options too. Option in a fireplace. That's a really popular option for your Bighorn, and it works really nicely with the layout of this trailer. So you're typically going to get a 12-foot slide out on this one with a sofa and a dinette. This one optioned in some entertainment recliners. Another really popular option for your Bighorn. And this one with the Dream Dinette. What's nice there is check out the leg space underneath. Really nice and incredibly easy to raise and lower if you want to convert that into a bed. So you get some nice sleeping options in this one too. This also has a bar with hanging bar stools. Some nice LED lighting. You've got that ceiling fan. Unrivaled standard features. More residential than ever before. Lots of different ways to customize as well. From a decor standpoint, this went with our St. Louis alderwood. That's been really popular. It's a newer wood option for your Bighorn, and a lot of people are going with it. Pairs really nicely with a lot of the other decor options. This went with our Dongia Black, Diviani Black upholstery. That's a newer option too for your Bighorns. A lot of people going with this upholstery option as well. It's got our Broadway linen soft touch walls. Really nice, and that goes really well with this decor combination as well. This also optioned in some backsplash. That's another really nice option for your Bighorn. It's over there in the kitchen and actually back here in the restroom too. We'll kind of stay back in this restroom. Really nice storage back here. Some nice hanging storage up top. We'll get a look in here. And then just kind of making our way down, some drawers, some extra cabinetry. So another really nice feature in this one back in the restroom. Get a nice look here in the shower. And finally, we'll get a nice look back in the horse area. As we said, this one's a 4-horse standard load with a collapsible rear tack. You can do a lot of different things back in the horse area too, as far as number of stalls and some other various options as well. So another brand new Bighorn that we are extremely excited about here at Lakota. Learn more, check us out, lakotatrailers.com, and find the Lakota that best meets your travel needs.